Well, hello, my good people. So this here is a stool I've had for a minute, and as you can see, it has a little rip in it, but I didn't want to get rid of it. So I bought a rug from Five Below, and I just let my creativity just take over. I was like, let me go ahead and make this a little snazzy or whatever. So I got my little screwdriver, some staples, my good old-fashioned staple gun, and I just start to remove the screws. Like, this was so easy. It was very easy. It wasn't hard at all. But yeah, you just go ahead and remove the screws with the screwdriver. And then I'm just taking the metal piece apart from the top base. And then I'm just going to lay that on top of my rug. And I'm just kind of measuring to try to see what I want to do. And now I'm going to use some scissors. I don't end up using these scissors because they were just way too dull. So I started cutting with these scissors here that you see in the frame. And I'm just trying to cut, I'm trying to cut to where I can be able to staple it right over top of that pink material. And that's what I'm doing right now. Just stapling everything down. And this thing, it was starting to shed a little bit. But once I got it on, like everything at the top stayed on. So we were good. I didn't know if it was going to start falling apart on me, but it came together. It came together. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Just sit back. Just watch. Just watch. Still stapling. Still stapling. Okay, and now it look like one of them old school steering wheels from back in the day. But look at that. Look. It's all soft and fuzzy and whatnot. So now I'm just gonna get rid of that little screw, and I went with a bigger screw just because I didn't like those little screws. But this is the finished product, and it's like having a whole brand new chair, and it's all nice and soft when I sit down on it, and it's decorative or whatnot. And I can sit here and I can read, or I can like do my little journaling. And this is what I did with the remainder of the rug. I'll just do it underneath my table, because why get rid of it? I don't know. I'm just going to keep it like that. But yeah, it's just nice and cozy, and I can relax, like the sign says.